Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and I help makers turn their digital designs into income. On my channel, you'll get quick tutorials, cool tools, and simple strategies to grow your digital product business. If you want daily AI prompts, trend tips, and a fun community that gets it, join us in our AI Profit Society. I left a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video.
Hey guys, it's Rhonda. And a few days ago, last week, I'm not sure, it depends on when I get this uploaded, we did a video showing you how you can make a talking avatar using the platform Hedra. Today, I'm going to show you how you can do it all, from creating your image to creating your talking avatar right here inside of Galaxy AI. Now, if you're not familiar with Galaxy AI, it is basically an all-in-one AI tool. All right. If you subscribe to Galaxy, you get access to so many different tools. These are just ones running across the top here. You get Hedra, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Veo, Sora, Grok, Flux, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, Ideogram, Luma, DeepSeek, just everything, okay? And they boast that they have over 3,000 different AI tools to use. Now, some of these AI tools are very, very user specific, and they may be something you never, ever use. But in a whole, they have a lot of valuable tools that you can use. All right. So today we are going to use what's inside of Galaxy AI to make our talking avatar. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to all tools, and we're going to bring this up, and we're going to scroll down until we see AI image generator. Now I have mine bookmarked over here as one of my favorites, so it's always right here on the left for me. If you subscribe to Galaxy, you might want to bookmark some of your more used apps or tools inside of here. So I'm going to click into AI image generator. And just like we did with Hedra, we're going to create our avatar first. All right. And here we have all the different AI image generators that we can use. For this, I am going to use Nano Banana. First, because I think Nano Banana works absolutely amazing. Secondly, because Galaxy AI is running a special right now where we have free access to Nano Banana through the end of the year. So any images generated in Nano Banana aren't going to cost you any credits at all right now. So that's what we're going to use. And in my prompt, I'm just going to say, take this image and turn, would help if I could spell, turn it into a 3D cartoon avatar. The character should be sitting at a desk working on her laptop in a cozy, rustic home office environment. Okay, and you can change that to anything you want. Then I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click Upload Files. And just like in my Hedra video, I am going to use my already existing cartoon version of myself. Okay, so I uploaded that, and I'm going to choose my aspect ratio. I want it to be wide, the 16:9, output formula PNG, and I want it to make 4 images just so I have a couple choices. And then I'm going to hit generate. And we'll give this a minute to generate my 4 different images. Okay, so it generated 4, and I can look at this and decide which ones I like. Well, that one has me really happy, doesn't it? Or let's go with this. You know what? I'm going to rerun this prompt because I want it to zoom in a little bit more on the character. Okay. The main focus of the image should be the character up close. Right? So let's run that again, just because. And that, I didn't give it explicit directions. So, but again, since Nano Banana is free inside of Galaxy until December 31st, I don't mind rerunning it because it didn't cost me any extra credits. Okay, so now, here we go. We have much closer views. And I can decide from there which one I like best. And I think I'm going to go with this one right here. So I am going to download that. And I am going to save that to my folder. Where is it? Here we go. And I'm going to just do Galaxy Avatar. All right. So there's that. So now we've done that. We have our avatar that we're going to use. So next, we're going to look for, and we can search for it if you don't see it, talking photo. All right, AI talking photo generator. And again, I have this bookmarked as a favorite, so it's always over here on my left. So I'm going to click into there. And now we will just give it the image that we just created, right? Let's get rid of that. Let me just drag it in. Here we go. Drag and drop that one in. And our model, we can actually use Hedra right in here. So we're going to use Hedra. And this too, you can record your own voice. They have a lot of like celebrity voices in here. I'm not a fan. I am not going to do my own voice recording today. We're just going to use Jessie. She's a pretty good female voice. And then let me copy my text. I'm going to pop it in there. And once I do that, I can generate the audio. Now you can upload your own voice if you already have a recording, or you can record it right here in Galaxy. Now this is the audio that was generated. I'll play it real quick.
So a bunch of you asked how to make those talking avatars. And this time, I tried it with Galaxy.AI using their talking photo feature. It's seriously quick. Just upload a...
So that's part of the audio. And once you have your audio in place, you have your voice selected, your avatar selected, all you're going to do now is click Generate. And it will take a few minutes for your video to generate. Okay, so this is done. Let me make it bigger and I'll play it.
So a bunch of you asked how to make those talking avatars. And this time, I tried it with Galaxy.AI using their talking photo feature. It's seriously quick. Just upload a picture, type, or paste your script, and boom, your image starts talking. It's wild how real it looks, and it's perfect for social posts or tutorials. Give it a try. You'll be hooked.
Now, I will say that I would have preferred if my avatar looked at the camera a little more while it was talking, but did anyone else notice the steam coming off of my coffee cup here? That is super cool.
So
let me play that again so you can see it.
Avatars.
See that steam?
And this time, I tried
How neat is that?
Galaxy.AI using their talking photo.
So it's easy to do it right here in GalaxyAI. Here's one I did earlier today using a different avatar that is facing the camera.
Got a bunch of little video clips sitting around? Let's turn them into one smooth video in Canva. Start a new design and pick your video size, usually 16.9 for YouTube or widescreen. Next, upload your short clips and drag.
So you can see how much nicer it is when she is looking at the camera. And that is all going to be in the prompting for your avatar to start with. So let's go back and try it once more. We'll make a new avatar. Okay. This time I'm going to say, take this image and create a 3D cartoon avatar from the person in the image. She should be sitting at her desk, working at a laptop in a cozy and rustic home office environment. She should be facing the camera, and the focus should be on the character close up. All right, so we'll do that again. Nano Banana, we're going to bring over that same 3D cartoon image, my cartoon me. Nano Banana, PNG. Let's make it 9:16 this time, so we can use it for a short or something like that, and then click Generate. Okay, so here are my 4 options this time. I'm not a fan of that one. I like this one. I'm going to save this one. I'm not sure if I'll use it yet, but I'm going to save it. Galaxy Av1. And this one. Maybe this one. I'll save this one too. And then this one. And I'm not a fan of this one either. I actually think I like this one the best. Yeah, I think that's the one I'm going to go with. Okay, so we have our avatar chosen. So let's go back to Talking Photo Generator. And we will upload our photo. Upload our avatar, the one we just created and saved. And again, we're going to use Hedra. And again, I'm going to use their voice instead of cloning my own, but you can do that. You can voice clone. You can add a voice clone here, so you can upload audio or record yourself. Or if you've already done that, your clone will be in here. And you could even start recording from there. But like I said, I am just going to select one from the voice library. I'm going to do Jessie again. I like that voice. And I'm going to grab that script again and paste it in. Generate audio. Okay, the audio is generated. So now we can generate our video. So let's click that, and it'll take just a few minutes, and we'll be back to look at it. Okay, so here is the new one. And this, in Galaxy, they only generate in 16:9. But if you wanted this for a mobile, it's easy enough to edit in, any number of video editing softwares, even Canva or something like that would do it.
So a bunch of you asked how to make those talking avatars. And this time, I tried it with Galaxy.AI using their talking photo feature. It's seriously quick. Just upload a picture, type, or paste your script, and boom, your image starts talking. It's wild how real it looks, and it's perfect for social posts or tutorials. Give it a try. You'll be hooked.
So that's what it looks like now, and I really, really like that. So that's it. And now all you would do is download it and upload it to whatever video platform you wanted to use it on, whether that be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere you want to post a video. So I hope you guys found this one helpful. I did want to mention Galaxy does have different plans. They have a free plan. I'm not 100% sure if you can create your talking avatar on a free plan or not. I have the Pro here, $14.99. They also have a lifetime deal going on right now for $4.99, which is crazy. If you do yearly, though, it's only $99 a year, which is about something like, oh, well, 45% off is what you'd save if you went yearly. But I find it extremely worth it. There is a lot of tools inside of here. Like I said, you have access to all of these, Perplexity, Midjourney. Let me go into the AI image generator. Let's look here. And here are all the different models you can use. Ideogram, Imagen, Seedream, GPT, Midjourney, Leonardo, and on and on, and Dolly, Recraft. So there's a lot of different options in here. If you do want to use it for image generation, there's also a lot of other tools that you can use, like we just did the talking photo, which is great. If you do create videos, there's an YouTube thumbnail generator in here, which I use quite a lot and get a lot of use out of that. And then, you know, like I said, there are some really silly ones that you may not use at all. There's a voice cloner, voice changer. Here's an AI video generator. So there's a lot of different stuff in here for the price. I think it's well worth the $14.99 a month or $99 a year to have access to all these different tools. The clothes changer, you know, you can just come in here and change the clothing on a video or an image. If you have a picture, then you want to change things. You can build custom GPTs in here. Chat Arena. This is where you can choose two different models to talk with. Let's say, let's go OpenAI. So we want GPT-5 and we want to try Google Gemini. And so you'd send your message in and get a response from both of those, so you can see which one you like better. Or you could go with, you know, Perplexity or Anthropic and Llama, and, you know, so a lot of different options. But I just wanted to show that to you too. You probably, like I said, I am not 100% sure if you can create the talking avatars on a free plan or not. You would have to try that out. I have actually never ever used Galaxy as a free user. I've had a pro account since day one. But you can give it a shot and see. But like I said, at $15 a month or $99 a year for all the different tools you get in here, I think it's a good investment. It's well worth the cost for the different tools you have all in one place. But anyway, that's how you make your talking avatar right here inside of Galaxy AI. You don't need any other tools to do it. And they came out really nice. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments or join us in our community that is linked below as well. And I will see you guys next time.